मैं बारिश में बाहर नहीं जाने वाली। काम नहीं खत्म हो रहे हैं। ओ हाय गाइस, हाय गाइस। Hi guys, this is Mansi and welcome to my channel Mood Board and Mansi. So अब हम जा रहे हैं कहीं घूमने और ये है हमारा लगेज. You can see. Hi guys. Good morning. So this is our first vlog. This is our first video on this channel. I'm super duper excited. और मैंने सोचा कि ये वीडियो थोड़ा सा स्पेशल बनाते हैं because we are gonna cover a hill station which is nearby. हम लोग 2 दिन के लिए वहाँ जा रहे हैं और अभी हम रुके हुए हैं. गाड़ी आप देख रहे हो कि रुकी हुई है. निशांत इज गोइंग टू कलेक्ट सम मेडिसिन्स क्योंकि वी मेक श्योर कि जब भी हम ट्रैवल करें हमारे पास हेडेक का, फीवर का और एलर्जी का मेडिसिन हो. एंड दिस टाइम वी वर आउट ऑफ स्टॉक तो हमने रास्ते में गाड़ी रोक के ले लिया. एंड दिस इज आवर लगेज. इफ यू कैन सी it's just for 2 days and we are definitely not traveling light, so I'm gonna take you along. आप लोग आ रहे हैं, we're gonna see what we do and हम लोग enjoy करेंगे for sure. And I don't know how I'm going to make this video, but this is my first time, so if you feel कि कुछ गलती हो रहा है, कुछ एंगल बहुत अजीब हो रहे हैं, so please pardon and let's stay tuned. इतनी गाड़ी आ रही है तो मैं सोच रही हूँ थोड़ा सा लिपस्टिक लगा लेती हूँ because मैं बहुत अजीब लग रही हूँ और मैं लिपस्टिक बहुत सिंपल तरीके से लगाती हूँ. सो यू गोना सी कुछ ब्यूटी टिप्स, ब्यूटी हैक्स और प्रोडक्ट जो मैं अलोंग द वे यूज़ करूँगी. दिस इज़ द मैक वन एंड जस्ट टॉपिंग इट अप लिटिल मिल्क. I've just mixed 2 shades और मैंने आपको दिखा दिया. एक मैक थी, एक नताशा मूव की थी. If you wanna know the shades, you can comment down. I will share you the links also. So I really enjoy ये color और let's go. अब हम कहीं और रुक गए हैं. ये लड़का, इसके काम नहीं खत्म हो रहे हैं. Oh my God. और मैं थक गई हूँ already. We have not just begun. हम लोग शहर में ही हैं. Oh my God. अब जल्दी से टनल आने वाला है और हम आ रहे हैं. बादल है.
तो कल यहाँ पूरा एकदम ब्लैकआउट हो गया था. फोन में तो बहुत क्लियर दिखता है. मतलब फोन एक्चुअली जब अपने को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा ना आगे का रास्ता तो हमें फोन का कैमरा ऑन कर लेना चाहिए. उससे हमें रास्ता दिखता है. ये ट्रिक है. ट्रैकिंग
ट्रैक होता है.
पूरा फोर्ट है वो ऊपर.
तो डिफिकल्ट वाला है या इजी है?
जो ये इजी लग रहा है.
And finally, welcome to MV Valley City. Honestly, calling it just a resort doesn't do justice. Actually, it's literally like a whole mini city tucked inside beautiful nature. And that's how they welcome their guests, like a typical Maharashtrian dhol tasha style. They also served us with welcome drinks and हम अभी चेक इन कर रहे हैं और हम जो लोग आए हैं वो इतने हैं कि उन्होंने एक हमारे लिए कियोस्क काउंटर सेपरेट बना दिया है. रिसेप्शन का काउंटर, लाइक लॉबी का ऑफिशियल यहाँ पे है, बट हमारा सबका चेक इन, ग्रुप चेक इन यहाँ से होगा। और अभी मैं बताऊँगी कितने लोग हैं।
गाइस बारिश की आवाज़ आ रही है। ओ माय गॉड, मैं पार्किंग में बैठी हूँ, सबकी गाड़ियाँ यहाँ लगी हुई है और जस्ट गाड़ी के रोड क्रॉस करते ही बग्गी है जो हमारा वेट कर रही है, लेकिन मैं वहाँ तक नहीं जा सकती, बग्गी यहाँ नहीं आ सकती है। लाइक वो आ सकती है आई थिंक, बट मैं गाड़ी से नहीं उतरूँगी जब तक बारिश नहीं चली जाएगी, क्योंकि मेरे बाल आज स्टाइल किए, मेरे पूरे बाल बारिश में ख़राब हो जाएंगे। गॉड, देखना बारिश, देखो बारिश, देखो रुकने का नाम नहीं ले रही है। Wow, wow, this is beautiful. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my god, this is huge. I guess the rooms are really big. कौन था ये?
तो पागल ही था कोई, ये ऊपर से लेके गया फुटपाथ के।
And sorry to cut you down, the property is huge. Like you can drive around for minutes and still keep discovering new corners, views and spots. This was genuinely one of the most luxurious, largest spaces I have ever been to, honestly. Side by side, I do want to share a feedback कि rooms थोड़े improve हो सकते थे, because we've paid like a good amount for one room and usually जो 5 star hotels की rate है वही rates हैं, तो उसमें improvement हो सकता था. Apart from that, everything that you do here, you're seeing is chargeable basis. Nothing is free except for your room, which you've already paid for. Other than that, every activity that you do, see, or anything, even for a buggy, if you want to call for, they charge you. They'll charge you like a good 5 star property rate, and wo dekh ke aana, because if you have like a really restricted budget, don't come, because ये property actually रहीसों के लिए ही है. Look, this is a 5 star property and but मैं मेरा कहने का point सिर्फ इतना है कि rooms are not that 5 star level, वो improvement चाहिए. Apart from that, the room service is expensive. Like, you know, just for an example, I ordered hot chocolate, a pasta, and spring roll. So that costed me, like, I paid around, I don't remember exactly, but it was somewhere around 2700 to 3000 for this one.
Are you going? See what you've done. What you have done? Look.
Look at the property we are in. It's beautiful. We had booked our rooms for 2 days, but there is an alternative to that. So you can have like a day pass to Ambi Valley City and you can explore and, you know, do all the activities within the day, like during the time. And you don't need to actually book the hotel or resort. So that's like a pretty convenient thing to do if you don't like the stay, right? And then came the part I wasn't sure about the water safari that we were about to do, because I know Nishan doesn't enjoy such things. Or like I had an internal doubt of should I or shouldn't I. But you know what? We went with the flow. Like we were a group of 41 people and we were all in for that. So I think that made it more comfortable and more enjoyable. And we were glad we did, because this ended up being one of my funnest experiences of the trip. So 41 of us were made into 4 groups, 10 each, and 2 guides were given for each group who helped us navigate through the path, and it was really worth the experience. They charged us somewhere around 2000 to 3000. I guess it was 2000 something, but totally worth it.
कुछ पकड़ के चलो चलो Careful, watch your steps.
Okay, and the food was really the highlight of the trip. Like it was amazing. Like पानी में पूरा भीगने के बाद what do you enjoy the most is the food. So we've got like French fries, vada pav, chai, it was pakoda and everything. And look at that person who's making the most use of hookah.
So we are done with the safari and we're heading back to our room. I think we're probably gonna go and enjoy in the pool. But let's see how it goes. Just freaking tired.
वहाँ ट्रैक होता है वो बहुत डेंजरस दिखता है वैसे I'm done and what a wonderful perfume. I'm gonna link it but and for the night like a full blown gala dinner was planned, DJ was there, and I'm sure you'll guess the song by their steps. Copyright guys, I can't upload the video like the audio, but yes, we had like a crazy awesome day and a night to remember, I guess. Oh, now this is the time to actually check out on day three. And this was the entire luggage, guys. I didn't show you the complete luggage because बहुत कुछ डिक्की में भी रखा था. So yeah, if you have been thinking about visiting Ambi Valley or planning a quick monsoon getaway, this is your sign. Sometimes you just have to pack your bags and go with the flow. No, make memories that you'll smile about forever. So signing out, and I hope you like the video. If there is something that you want to talk about, please comment and please do subscribe to my channel. It is a new channel and I'll be posting so much about beauty and travel. So if you're interested, go and subscribe and like this video and let me know your thoughts about the same. Bye bye.